This video explains how to customize design settings within the Involve Me editor. You will learn to adjust fonts, colors, borders, themes, and apply custom CSS to enhance your project. Let's get started. Once you are inside your funnel, you can start editing the design. On the left side, click the palette icon to open the design options. Here, you will find the main design sections: global design settings, page design, themes, and custom CSS. We will begin with global design settings. These settings apply across the whole funnel unless you override them on a specific page. In the Content Options section, you can adjust content-specific design elements. For example, under Text, you can choose the heading font from the drop-down menu. Like here, I'm doing here. Next, under Colors and Style, you can change the highlight color used in your funnel. You can also add a background image. Click the Upload area to drag and drop a file. Select one from your device, or choose an image from the Involve Me image library. From here, you can either upload your own file or switch to the Images tab to browse the image library. You can browse the available image options or search for a specific style. Here, I'll search for a gradient background. Once you find one that fits your design, select it and click Use. After the background is applied, click Save and Close to save your changes. Next, let's look at page design. By turning on the page design toggle, you can overwrite the global design settings with page-specific options. These changes only apply to the current page, which is useful when you want certain pages, such as outcome pages, to look different from the rest of the funnel. You can also customize individual elements. To do this, select the element, open the Design tab, and enable Customize this element only. From here, you can adjust the element styling. For example, you can change the font size by selecting a value, such as 17 pixels from the size dropdown. You can also change the background color, adjust the border size, and customize the rounded corners. Here, I'll adjust the border size to change how thick the button border appears. You can also adjust the rounded corners to make the button sharper or more rounded. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Now, let's go back to the design options and look at themes. In the Themes section, you can choose from existing themes or create your own custom theme. For example, you can select a theme, customize it, change the colors, save it as a new theme, and give it a name so you can reuse it later from your theme gallery. The last option in the design section is Custom CSS. This is an advanced feature available on certain plans. It is useful if you need more granular design control beyond the standard design options, but in most cases, the regular design settings are enough. To use it, enable the Custom CSS option and add your CSS code to style areas such as the body, content cards, answers, and buttons. To finalize your design, always make sure to test both the desktop and mobile versions, so your funnel looks good on all devices.